Welcome to SR2SR-Prepper. Down below in the description you'll find links, and there's plenty of playlists for you. We're talking about food. We're talking about catfish. To add some variety to your diet, you should think about growing some fish as part of your survival plan. Catfish are a good choice because they can thrive in small areas and they grow fast. And you can stock them in a pond if you have one, or if you don't have one, a barrel will work just fine. This freshwater species can supply your entire family. Just feed it earthworms from your garden and supplement it with some grass carp to keep the algae from thriving in the water, and you'll be able to grow a decent supply of food. And you just feed them more often in the summer than in the winter, once or twice a day, and you've got it. Well, that was my tip for today. And so if you like this tip, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you want more of these tips, subscribe. And we thank you for coming. God bless. Angels all around. Bye.